For over 50 years, a mysterious sound from the moon was hidden by NASA. This enigma has puzzled scientists and space enthusiasts alike, sparking numerous theories and speculations. What could possibly produce a sound in the vacuum of space, where no atmosphere exists to carry it? What did the astronauts hear? Was it a mechanical noise from their equipment or something far more mysterious? The Apollo missions were humanity's giant leap. They marked a significant achievement in space exploration, showcasing human ingenuity and determination. These missions were meticulously planned and executed, leaving little room for error. They were moments of triumph, broadcast for the world to see. The entire planet watched in awe as astronauts set foot on the lunar surface, a testament to what humanity could achieve when united by a common goal. But some things remained hidden. The dark side of the moon, shrouded in mystery, held secrets that were not immediately shared with the public. Among these secrets were the strange sounds reported by the astronauts. Whispers of strange sounds heard by astronauts stayed locked away. These sounds, described as eerie and otherworldly, were unlike anything the astronauts had encountered before. They sparked curiosity and fear in equal measure. These sounds sparked curiosity and fear. What were these sounds? Were they natural phenomena, or did they hint at something more extraordinary? Theories ranged from lunar seismic activity to extraterrestrial communications. Were they natural or something else? The lack of atmosphere on the moon makes it an unlikely place for sound to travel, yet the astronauts' accounts were clear and consistent. This paradox only deepened the mystery. The moon, as we know it, is silent. Its barren landscapes and lack of atmosphere create an environment where sound cannot propagate. Yet the astronauts' experiences suggest otherwise. Sound needs an atmosphere to travel, and the moon has almost none. This scientific fact makes the reported sounds even more perplexing. Could there be an unknown mechanism at play, or was it a psychological phenomenon experienced by the astronauts? So what could the astronauts have heard? Theories abound, from the mundane to the fantastical. Some suggest it was the sound of the lunar module's machinery, while others propose more exotic explanations. And why did NASA keep it a secret for so long? The reasons remain speculative, but some believe it was to avoid public hysteria or to maintain focus on the mission's success. The truth, however, remains elusive. The answers might surprise you. They could challenge our understanding of the moon and space itself. As we delve deeper into this mystery, we may uncover new insights about our closest celestial neighbor. They take us back to a time of intense competition and global uncertainty. The space race was not just about exploration, it was a demonstration of technological prowess and political power. In this context, every piece of information was carefully controlled. Join me as we explore the mystery of the moon sounds and uncover the truth behind NASA's silence. Together, we will journey through history, science, and speculation to piece together this fascinating puzzle. The Apollo 11 mission was a defining moment in human history. Neil Armstrong's words, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the globe. But just before this iconic moment, something strange happened. For 2 minutes, all communication with Apollo 11 went dark. 2 minutes might not seem like long, but in the heart of such a critical mission, it felt like an eternity. The world held its breath, waiting for contact to resume. What happened during those 2 minutes? The official explanation was a technical glitch, a problem with the radio equipment. But some people weren't convinced. The silence fueled speculation and gave birth to numerous conspiracy theories. Some whispered that the astronauts had encountered something they weren't supposed to. Others believed it was proof of extraterrestrial life. The Apollo 11 silence wasn't the only strange sound reported from the moon. During the Apollo 15 mission, astronauts reported hearing eerie whistling sounds through their headsets. These sounds occurred while their lunar module orbited the far side of the moon, a place where all communication with Earth is blocked. Imagine being alone, orbiting the dark side of the moon and hearing strange, unexplained noises. The astronauts were understandably unnerved. These weren't ordinary sounds. They were described as high-pitched, metallic, and unlike anything heard on Earth. The sounds were recorded and sent back to Earth. They were analyzed by NASA scientists, but no immediate explanation was given. The mystery of the moon sounds deepened. The public was left to speculate. What could be causing these strange noises in the vacuum of space? After years of speculation, NASA finally offered an explanation for the strange sounds heard on the moon. These mysterious sounds had puzzled both scientists and the public alike, sparking numerous theories and debates. The whistling sounds they revealed were not alien signals or signs of unknown life. Instead, they were a result of something much more familiar and terrestrial. Instead, they were caused by a phenomenon known as radio interference. This interference is a common occurrence in many communication systems, but in the unique environment of the moon, it took on an unexpected form. The astronauts' headsets were picking up radio waves from the lunar module's own equipment. These waves, which are usually harmless and inaudible, became a source of confusion and intrigue. These waves, normally inaudible, were amplified within the headsets, creating the eerie whistling effect. The amplification process turned a mundane technical issue into a captivating mystery. The 2-minute silence during Apollo 11 also had a more mundane explanation. This silence, which had been a source of much speculation, was not due to any extraterrestrial interference. It was determined to be caused by a faulty switch on the lunar module. This switch, which was crucial for maintaining communication, had malfunctioned at a critical moment. This switch inadvertently caused the antenna to point in the wrong direction, disrupting communication with Earth. The misalignment of the antenna led to a temporary loss of signal, creating the eerie silence. While these explanations might seem less exciting than alien encounters, they highlight an important fact. Space is a strange and unpredictable environment. The challenges faced by astronauts and engineers are often more complex than they appear. What might seem like a mystery can often be explained by science. The scientific method allows us to uncover the truth behind these phenomena, turning speculation into understanding and knowledge. Secrets and the Cold War. If the moon sounds had a scientific explanation, why did NASA keep them secret for so long? This question has puzzled many and led to various theories and speculations over the years. To understand this, we need to step back in time to the era of the Apollo missions, the Cold War. This was a period marked by intense rivalry and suspicion between the world's two superpowers. During this time, the United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a fierce competition, vying for supremacy in space. The stakes were incredibly high and both nations were determined to outdo each other. Every mission, every discovery, was a strategic asset. The information gathered was not just scientific, it was also political and military in nature. Releasing information about strange sounds, even if they had plausible explanations, could be seen as a sign of weakness. It could potentially expose vulnerabilities or gaps in the United States' space capabilities. It might give the Soviets a chance to exploit the situation or spread their own propaganda. The Cold War was as much about perception and psychological warfare as it was about actual technological advancements. Furthermore, NASA was aware of the public's fascination with the unknown. They understood that the American public, and indeed the world, was captivated by the mysteries of space. They were concerned that releasing the sounds without a clear explanation could fuel mass hysteria or undermine confidence in the space program. The last thing NASA wanted was to create unnecessary panic or doubt about their missions. Conspiracy theories abound. Despite NASA's explanations, the mystery of the moon sounds continues to fascinate and fuel conspiracy theories. Some believe that NASA is still hiding the truth, that the sounds are evidence of something extraterrestrial that they don't want us to know about. Others claim that the astronauts saw or experienced things on the moon that they were forbidden to speak about. These theories, while intriguing, lack concrete evidence. They often rely on speculation, misinterpretations, and a distrust of authority. While it's important to question and explore different possibilities, it's equally important to ground our beliefs in facts and evidence. The burden of proof lies with those making the extraordinary claims. The truth is out there. The mystery of the moon sounds is a reminder that our universe is full of wonders, both known and unknown. While the scientific explanations for the sounds are sound, the human fascination with the unknown persists. Perhaps it's this fascination that drives us to explore, to push the boundaries of knowledge and to seek answers to the universe's greatest mysteries. The Apollo missions, while shrouded in Cold War secrecy, ultimately pushed humanity forward. They expanded our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. They showed us what we are capable of achieving when we work together towards a common goal. The moon sounds, regardless of their origin, are a part of that legacy. What do you hear? So, the next time you look up at the moon, shining brightly in the night sky, remember the stories. Remember the astronauts who dared to venture into the unknown and the mysteries they encountered. Listen closely. What do you hear? Is it the sound of the wind, the rustle of leaves, or something more? The answer, like the universe itself, is full of possibilities. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never lose your sense of wonder. The universe is vast and full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Who knows what other mysteries await us out there among the stars?